The tram ride is an hour. Huh? Oh, I want to come back.
You're gonna stand on it? Oh.
Yeah, you can stand. Alrighty, and of course, my friends, welcome once again to Rainforest Adventures. And again, my name is Junior. National tree right over there, the calabash tree, and there's a fruit from that tree. There are not edible, but they do use them for traditional medicine when it's very young. Actually, they say the fruit that is. That is actually cousin to the water bottle god, so you can actually use that for storing water, of course. But here on the island, they mainly use it for making stuff like bowls, plates. They also make stuff like jewelry boxes, activate bird houses, but it smells like all things. Again, so. So my friends, we know that the water is drinkable, however the body needs to get acclimated due to the high mineral contents beforehand. So better said, if you were to drink a high consumption of the waters today, without your body getting accustomed to it, we're just standing up.
Karina.
Come over here. Please, over here. Stay right there.
And we feast our eyes upon the ridge of fresh drinking water, Babylon, Caribbean to the left, and of course our Atlantic Ocean to our right. Indeed, we're going to see the most beautiful island of Martinique to the 21 miles away from us to the 12 o'clock, of course. Martinique, our sister island.
Don't jump up and down.
No!
Archie,
Don't jump up and down. Let's push that.
No.
You aren't all at once.
No.
Like that.
Maybe throw it over there.
Oh, that's over there.
Throw it over there.
Please,
Don't worry, Mom. It's falling again.
Yeah, I got that part.
Take a guess. I'm not sure.
your bow, you could jump.
I want to borrow to a branch or something.
Be Tarzan.
I think it will be alive. Hopefully, we guys made it for the fall.
She said, oh.
That's what I'm thinking. Hopefully, wouldn't. Hopefully, wouldn't.
Why is that the conversation?
Yeah.
Aren't we all?
Выбирай палку.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we survived.
But
But
you're
like pinatas.
not going to hit the ground.
I'd rather hit the ground than tree.
Well,
Unless you want to break and snap your legs off.
Yeah, I do.
this means to just raise your leg. Up. Raise your leg. Lean back.
The hand.
Lean back. So you look at me. Any guy does you this, that means to lean all the way back, and this means to raise your leg. And that's pretty much about it. Oh, that's mine. I did wash me with a lot. So, first victim. Nice. You coming up?
You know. This is the way to come back.
So if we fall, we happen to hit the rocks. That's comforting.
So do not fall.
Do not fall. So we tiptoe. Like what that said.
Okay, I'll just turn off that.
And boom. And bam. Woo! So you just about ready. Look, oh, it will be better on the other side actually. Because of the rope. Huh? The rope. Ah, okay. Wait.
And don't hit me in the face with the camera.
Yes, and mind the trees.
And my face. Right now.
Mind the trees, and we ready when you are. Yep. Just ready? Let's go.
How was that?
Great.
Thank you.
Stop there.
On the front.
There's 6 feet. 8, 68.
Yeah, then 3. Okay. Almost 6.
So you went on at 6:04.
Exactly, and I was 56 in the
So if you would have gone on, if you would have gone on at 6:01, you might have been better, right?
Maybe. Yes.
Or just 6 flat out.
How many nights have we gone in?
I don't know. Can't remember. Brain. Foggy.
That's my son. I asked him a question. I go, how old are you? I don't know. What's your favorite color? I don't know.
Yeah, it's not my favorite color.
So just like that.
Woo!
I don't know if it's. Oh, yeah.
Ready? Hurry up, my love.
Maybe it's like.
So we sit down. I got you. Sit down.
Wait, they're going backwards?
Maybe.
Can
Maybe
I not?
If it makes you happy, then sure. Bye.
That's why I need a helmet.
Yes.
Ready? Let's go.
Sorry.
I should go last.
Ready? Let's go. Good to go?
Miami. Why your belly hanging out, man?
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.